Welcome back to our channel. On today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a flap on a simple way of making flap. As you can see, this is your shirt. You can see it. Then you fold it. Make sure it's accurate. As it's accurate, then you turn it like this. Then you make a small cutting here. Small cutting, slight. Then you open it again. You can see this is the middle point from here to here. Then you use your tape, depending on the size of the shirt. So we are going to use 5 inches here. 5. You use this 5 and mark here. You can see it. You mark here.
Does it mean that if the size of the shirt is bigger, you can increase the flap?
You can increase the flap.
Okay.
You mark 5 here. As you mark 5 here, then you turn. Use centimeter, because here is inches. You use centimeter. You use 3 centimeters from here to here. Here is 1, 2, here is 3. So you put 2 at the middle. You put 1 here. You put another 1 here. This is 3 here. 3. Then mark this one here. You can see it. Then you use your tape from here and mark. Join together. Also take from here. And mark a cutting like that. And this arrow, you cut it straight to this place. When you come to this ending, don't reach this end, then you make a slight cutting here again. For the place that you mark. Also here too, you make a slight cutting here. And you can see it. Then you brought your single one here. You can see from here to here. As I measure from here to here is 5. So you can see here it's more than 5. 5 and a half. You need to put extra. Then went on. Make sure that it's lap inside.
Please, how did you fold the material?
This is complete material like this. You fold here, then you iron it. After ironing, then you divide it into 2 equal parts. Then you show it. Then make sure you place it inside. Let me see. Likewise here, you put it completely. So you are going to sew each one. You are going to sew it round onto this place. So we sew. After sewing completely round, you can see it. So when you turn it like this, make a turn, bring it like this, and bring it around. Then you sew it completely. You sew again. You sew from here. You are going to sew it. After sewing, I sew from here to here. I sew it around here, come to this place, and you can see it. If you turn the back too, you can see it. So it is your flap. Then you find your pressing button. You put this one inner and this one on top here. Then you use your needle. You use your needle and sew it. Then as you are putting the other one, this one is placed, you see it here. Then you put this one, then you use your hand to press it. After pressing, you can make a sign here. Then you use this dot to place this sign inside it. Then you tack it. As you are sewing, you can see I'm sewing, but it didn't come through this outside here. As you can see it here, it's not showing, but I'm sewing through inside. You cut it slightly, continuously. So this is the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and make your comments.